Welcome back. In this lesson, we're walking through how to create an EC2 instance on AWS, your very own virtual server in the cloud. EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud, is one of AWS's most popular services, allowing you to launch and manage virtual machines effortlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Launching an EC2 instance. First, log into your AWS Management Console and navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Click on Launch Instance to start the setup process. To keep things organized, let's name our instance My EC2 Instance. Naming your instances is a best practice, especially as your environment grows and you manage multiple instances. Step 2. Choosing an AMI. Next, we need to choose an Amazon Machine Image, AMI. An AMI is a pre-configured template that contains the operating system and software for your instance. AWS provides several options, including Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, and Windows Server. For this tutorial, we'll be using Ubuntu Server 20.04 LTS, a free tier eligible AMI. Ubuntu is a great choice due to its simplicity, flexibility, and strong community support. Step 3. Selecting an instance type. The instance type determines the hardware configuration of your virtual server, including CPU, memory, and storage. Since we're using the AWS free tier, we'll select T2 Micro, a lightweight instance perfect for small workloads and testing. Step 4. Creating a key pair. A key pair is required to securely connect to your instance. If you don't have one already, create a new key pair and name it My EC2 Instance. Be sure to download and store the key safely, as it's needed for SSH access. Step 5. Configuring instance details. For now, we'll keep the default configuration. These settings determine networking, monitoring, and instance behavior. You can customize them later as needed. Step 6. Reviewing and launching. Review all the selected configurations to ensure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied, click Launch Instance. AWS will now provision your instance, which should only take a few moments. Once it's ready, you'll see a confirmation message. You've successfully launched an EC2 instance. You selected an AMI instance type and created a key pair. Your instance is now up and running in the cloud. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to configure a security group for your EC2 instance. See you there.